And one more example, that when I was in UK, or when I was allowed to go to UK, I gave a talk on same topic, Islamic viewpoint on terrorism and jihad. A young boy after my lecture said, Nare Takbir, Allahu Akbar. And then he said, death to George Bush, death to George Bush. I give such a good lecture. Now this young Muslim, on my full lecture, Hindi mein bolte pani pher diya, means he has ruined my full lecture. Everyone is clapping and he gets up, death to George Bush. And everyone clapped. Then I told him that if you read the seerah of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he prayed to Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala that there were two staunch enemies of Islam. Both their names were Umar. So a prophet prayed to Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala that at least give hidayah to one Umar. And Allah gave hidayah to Umar bin Khattab. May Allah be pleased with him, who became the staunchest supporter of Islam. So I pray to Allah that give hidayah to George Bush. By killing him, we won't solve the problem. I pray that give hidayah to one of the two, George Bush or Tony Blair. You read the seerah of the Prophet rather than be emotional. Muslims get emotional. If you read the seerah of the Prophet, you know how did the Prophet deal with things.